From this method, you will earn more than $15 per day with Blogger by writing blog articles even if you don't know how to do it. Hello everyone, welcome to Larry Said. Most of you are trying to earn money on internet and maybe you are trying many methods you'd learn from YouTube. But if any of those methods aren't work, here I have a cool strategy to show you how to do it. For this method, you don't need to have any skills. Basic understanding about blocking is more than enough. Alright guys, let's learn the method. For this method, I'm using few tools. I'm going to use Google Keyword Planner to find proper keywords, and I'm building my articles on Google document. And also I check the accuracy of my articles by using Google Translator. And also I'm using DuckDuckGo search engine. And finally, I'm going to show you a secret tool. First of all, let me explain this method. Most of you may like to start a blog but don't have original ideas about what to write, or you maybe not know how to write an article in English language. So I will show you how you can create a unique article from others' ideas and earn more than $15 by posting those on a simple blog. Click Discover New Keywords. Next, change your country to your targeted audience. I'm going to use United States target. You can remove your country and click Save. Now you can type your niche and click Get Results. On the result page, you can change your date. I'm gonna select last month. And now you can filter and select your keyword. Always try to select a keyword which has low competition and high monthly volume searches. I think this keyword has a good monthly search volume, and I'm going to copy this keyword. I'm going to use this one. Next, open incognito window and paste your keyword and search. So you can see many articles according to your search keyword. I'm going to select one of these articles. Once you open your article, you can copy your text like this. Next, let's use our secret tool. The tool name is Quillbot. If I'm talking about Quillbot, I highly advise you not to use the free one of this amazing AI program, as it doesn't work nicely like the premium one. But here you don't need to purchase it. I will give you a crack version as a Chrome extension. You can check the link and passwords on this video description. Once you download the crack file, just click this place and click Manage Extensions. Then you will come to this place. So I already installed my Quillbot Crack 2.0. What you need to do is you need to click Load Unpacked and select the file and click here to select folder. It will take only 2 seconds to install, and after that what you need to do is you need to go back to your Quillbot and come here, and you can pin your Quillbot Crack, and you can click here again and come here. This can read and change site data, and you can select any of these two when you click the extension, or on quillbot.com click it and you can hit refresh, and boom, you will get Quillbot Premium. You can see the premium logo in here, Quillbot Premium. Now you have Quillbot Premium. So what you need to do is you need to paste your copied article in here like this, and click here the creative tab, and you have to take this dot until the end. So don't think about this red noticed premium features are unavailable now. Don't think about it, because this is a crack one. You don't need to update this version. This is a crack file. It's a lifetime free. It's a crack. So now after that, you have to click here, copy full text, and click the second one, grammar checker, and you can paste it in here like this and let it be. So they will detect all the grammar mistakes, and you can click here, fix all errors, and within seconds it will automatically correct all the errors on the article. After that, you can click here to copy the full text. Next, I need to check if there is anything happened to the original idea of this article. To check that, I'm going to open Google Translator in 2 tabs like this. And you can paste it in here. So this will translate to my native language. This is the article we have recreated. So the next, you need to get the original article, copy again. Next, come here and paste. So here is the original article, and here is the recreated article. So you can check, you can match both articles in your language, in your native language, and see if there is any mistakes comparing with the original article and between the rewritten article. If you don't find any major mistakes, I mean major recreation issues, so you can use your recreated article for this method and go ahead. If you're happy with the results you wrote, copy and open a new Google document and start a blank document. Oh, this one is filled, so I'm going to use my the browser. Google Doc. And you can open a new document. And paste it, Control V. Now you have the rewritten article. So I took a very small part of the original article because it will take some time to rephrase and rewrite and check the grammar and all these things. So you can take some time and get the full article and do it properly. So because this is a tutorial, a small lesson, I'm using a very small part of the original article. So now you can edit this article like this. You can separate the paragraphs, and you can highlight anything you want. You can do anything. You can put numbers, you can put subheadings, you can put headings, and many other things if you like to enter. So now you might have a question in your mind that for what I'm using DuckDuckGo browser in this method. We are using DuckDuckGo to find copyright-free images for our article. If you are creating an article, it must have some photos and images, and it will automatically optimize and will rank on your search engine. So it will be more effective if you use more and more images to explain effectively your keyword. And to get DuckDuckGo, just type DuckDuckGo, and you can download a Chrome extension like this. Just click Add Chrome, Add Extension. It will take some time to download the Chrome extension and install. Now you successfully installed your Chrome extension for DuckDuckGo, and you can click here and you can pin your DuckDuckGo privacy essentials, And after that, once you click here, you can see the connection is encrypted and no tracking request found and no third-party request found, and it's turned on. And when you open a new tab, you can see the DuckDuckGo browser in here. So you can search any sort of images, camping. So, or you can put your keyword in here, click here for images, and you can see there are a lot of filters in here. So you can click here, all license, and you can tick mark all Creative Commons. Look at this, all the images are free to use on your website or blog site, or if not, you can click public domain. Public domain images also can be freely used on your blogs, and you will not get copyright from any sort of services like Google AdSense or something else. Finally, you can copy your article and go to your blog and create a new post. I'm using Blogger in here. You can use WordPress if you like, and you can paste your article, and you can put your title, and you can put those royalty-free images which you use to download from DuckDuckGo, and after that you can publish your article. So my advice is to publish at least 50 articles according to your selected niche, and apply for Google AdSense program to earn at least $15 per day once you grow your audience into 1,000 visits per day. In additionally, you can publish a gig on Fiverr for article writing and charge $15 from a job, and also you can publish your recreated unique article on medium.com and earn money from it also. Now it is end of this video, and I think you learn a skill which elevate your online earning skills to the next level. But remember, if you don't dedicate your time and energy for this method, your success will go away from you. Work hard and think creatively to become success, and definitely you will come to a great place after trying sometime these type of methods. So guys, that's all. Thank you very much and have a nice day. I'm your friend LRZ.